Shipping your products over to Amazon FBA is one of the most exciting parts of selling on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to step-by-step create what is known as a shipping plan so that you are allowed or able to ship your products from your manufacturer or from anywhere over to the Amazon warehouse in the UAE or KSA, because we're going to be focusing on Amazon in the Middle East. The most important parts of a shipping plan is to give information to Amazon as to when they should be expecting your products to arrive, how the products will arrive, in how many boxes and how many packages. And finally, once you do all of that, you will also be able to know the ship to address, which will provide you information as to which warehouse you should be sending your products to, which is obviously very valuable information. Now, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, I hope it's not, but if it is, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider based right here in Dubai. And we offer services for all levels of sellers like yourself on Amazon, UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Make sure that you reach out to our team if you need support and help on our official website, www.assmiddleeast.org. And go ahead, follow us on all social media platforms, including Instagram and TikTok, if you want short, very fast information on a daily basis. Now, this is the info that you will need from your supplier. Yes, only one thing, a packing list. Now, this packing list should include the ship from address, meaning the address of your manufacturer, which you're going to utilize in what is known as your shipping plan. You will also need to know how your products are packaged, how many boxes, and in each box, how many items, and the dimensions of the items, as well as the dimensions of the shipping boxes. And finally, you will also need to know the weight of those boxes just so that you can create this shipping plan. Never ship the products without creating a shipping plan first, as you will require to have labels that need to be attached on each and every shipping box so that the products can be delivered to Amazon warehouses successfully. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you will not know which warehouse you should send your products to unless you actually create a shipping plan. So all in all, this is a very organized and very easy system to follow just to send products over to Amazon. Now, before we dive deeper into the tutorial, I want to remind you that there are several ways that you can ship products. Definitely, you can ship them by air, you can ship them by sea. But what I mean by there are several ways, there are several technical elements to think about and several technical options that you have in order to ship products. So most frequently and most commonly, Amazon sellers, because we ship quantities, small quantities, we don't tend to ship container loads, especially if you are starting out, and we ship very frequently. The easiest thing to do would be to ship in DDP format so that you can ask your shipping provider, your freight forwarder, your supplier, if they're shipping your products, to do DDP shipping so that they can take care of everything, including customs, duties, VAT, clearance, everything, and ship the products last mile directly to Amazon. That is the best and most efficient way to ship your products, and honestly, it is the easiest and less hassle-free and less worry. All in all, it is the easiest way, especially if you are starting out. Now, one thing to note, of course, you definitely need to have a seller account before you ship a product, and you need to have the product already listed as well so that you can create a shipping plan. After you do that, you need to find your product inside of the catalog. And then, as you can see here, you click right here and you click on Send Replenish Inventory. Once you do so, you will need to add your ship from address, which should be in your packing list. Now, right here, I have an address. I'm blurring it out just for privacy purposes, but this is where you should add your own address. And the marketplace destination, in this case, we're creating this shipping plan for the UAE. After that, you'll see the product right here, which I'm also going to be blurring. And this is where you can create a template. The cool thing about creating a template is that if these products are being shipped regularly on a regular basis in the same format, you don't have to do this process every single time from scratch. You can just use the template. Now, as you can see here, you can either send individual units or you can send, or let's say create a new case pack template. Case pack basically means that you're sending the products in a box. Now, very rarely are you going to send units individually. So let's just create a new case pack template. And you can call the template anything. I would recommend that you call it something that you can remember. So let me say big box 50, okay? Right here, I'm gonna choose case pack. How many units per box? I'm gonna say 25 units per box. And I'm just gonna give the dimensions. Let's just say it's 10, 10, 10, and the box weight is 5, all right? So as you can see here, in the prep category, I've already selected no prep needed. However, if you're sending sharp objects or anything with liquid, you will require to provide Amazon some additional information so that they know what prep is required for these products. And here I'm also saying who labels the units. As of now, Amazon in the Middle East does not have any prep centers, so you cannot ask them to label the products for you. So automatically it's going to be by seller. So let's save that. Let's select it. And as you can see here, you can find all of the information right here. And I'm going to say I'm sending 2 boxes, which is equivalent to 50 units because I said per box it's 25 units. And I'm just going to click ready to send. Once I click ready to send, then it's going to give me all of the SKU labels, better known as FNSKU or Fulfillment Network SKU. These are the barcodes that need to be printed on each and every unit that we always discuss. So you can print them right here if you need them. If you don't need them, you can just click confirm and continue. Once we're at step number 2, let's select the non-partnered carrier, especially if you have already selected to ship your products via your shipping agent. So I'm going to select non-partnered carriers, and then I'm going to add the ship date. It could be an estimation. And then are you shipping SPD, small parcel delivery, or is it a pallet? Mostly because we're shipping 2 boxes, it's just going to be SPD. And I recommend that you always use SPD. This is all of the information as to where we need to ship to. It says DBX5 with all of the details and information. And is there any carrier other than other? No. How will they be transported? I'm going to either select air, ocean, or ground. In this case, I'm going to select ocean. There are no charges to accept, but in order to move to the next step, we need to click on confirm. And as you can see, all of the information is ready. Now, all you need to do is to print the box labels. And once you print the box labels, make sure that you send them over to your manufacturer so that they can, or your shipping company, so that they can print those labels and add them to your shipping boxes. Now, that is what is known as a shipping plan. After that, you will also require to take an appointment in order to drop off the products at the Amazon warehouse, which we just saw the address to. Now, there are 2 different options. You can take the appointment yourself through your account and just get it over with, or you can also maybe ask your shipping company whether or not they want to take their own appointment so that they can take it at a time which is more suitable to them. In any cases, you might require to provide your shipping company some additional information, all of which you can find inside of your Amazon Seller Central, so that they can book the appointment through their Amazon carrier account. If not, you can simply take an appointment through Amazon Seller Central, and then once the appointment is approved, you could just send all of the information over to your shipping company so that they can deliver the products on time. And that's it for this video. Quick, fast tutorial for you to ship your very first product over to Amazon. Let me know if you have any other questions. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.